Okay, here it is. This is my head unit. That's my boss. This plugs in. All right, this is custom fabricated. This is called the wincher. It also has 2 tabs in the front. Here. They're about 1 inch thick steel. I just finished greasing it, and we're gonna do a painting job right now. Rust-Oleum truck bed pro grade. This is a very long can. It's double the length of a regular spray can. This can also has a really neat nozzle. So I bought 3 of these pre-built harnesses. It has the relay and everything put together. It just speeds up the process. OEM quality. The wires to the lights go along the wall and out here. And there's 3 sets for 3 different lights. These are the switches, and they're gonna be connected here. Wires here, so now you can pull. The 3rd wire will run all the way to the back to be used for the rear. Okay. We have an X right there. You can tuck. There we go, like it never happened. Boy, that's perfect. Spliced the positive and negative, so now they extend. And now this wire powers a little Wi-Fi device that's going to control my LED strip lights. Ooh. Am I good or what? I'll just do that for now. Awesome. Yeah, it's still being powered by my FlexVolt DeWalt. Look at this. It's beautiful. Waterproof. Automotive connectors. Proper. Sick, bro.